Hi guys, thanks for watching. This is my Hmong item of the day. I actually borrowed it from my mom to show you guys. It's really pretty. It's a, I think Hmong Thai men's shirt that goes up to their waist only, I believe. It's pretty short. But here it is. I can zoom in for you guys. It's really pretty. All this here is handmade, and these lines are machine sewn. I'll go in closer. So you can see all this is like these little stitches. I'm not sure if this counts for a reverse applique, but it's pretty close. I'm not sure what it's called, but there it is. And then all these stars too are, I don't know, reverse applique, I guess. Handmade, not the machine print that you see nowadays. So it's very pretty. Really pretty. And then this also, that's how they did that. It's like a bell at the end of it, and then I guess they just sewed it a bunch of times like that. Looks like they hand sewed this part, but I'm not sure how they did that. Yeah, there's that. And then it hooks into this hole here, like that. And then here's the front panel. If you guys want to make it, there's that front panel. And then it looks like they made the shirt first, and then they sewed the fabric on. So you can see all this. So then I guess when you make a shirt, you make the shirt first, and then you just sew all this stuff on. And that's how they make it. And then there's the arm. These two are handmade. Here's the back for you guys. Really pretty. There's a ton of stars on the back of this one. So there you go, guys. Hmong Thai men's shirt. Thanks for watching.